Alright, I need to calm down because I'm way too excited. Woo! Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag, as I like to tell it, because last year I had high hopes for it and I was kind of let down. This year I decided to call it my unlucky bag. Here it is. It's hot. I just received it, and by the way, when I'm recording, we are in the first day of February 2022. Oh my god, already 1 month has passed. This is crazy, the time is crazy. Somebody should do something, guys. Alright, so if you don't know anything about the Beautylish Lucky Bag, this is a totally mystery bag. This is pre-sold on the second day of Christmas, so 26th of December, and this bag it's done to celebrate the new Japanese year. So usually you have a good mix of products inside, and they do ship internationally, including to Europe. They have two bags, the regular one that it is $75 and the XL bag that is $150. However, for Europe and other parts of the world, the XL bag it's not shipping. And I have watched just one unboxing video. It was Terry's Corner, the one that I watched, and I've seen that it's amazing, and I didn't want to watch more videos like I did last year and make some hopes, because last year it took like 1 month to arrive to me. Now it took like 10 days since it was shipped, and they also had delays because originally it should have been shipped on January 17, and I got email that due to a new variant of COVID-19 and so on, they are taking few more days, and my order might be delayed. Never mind, I have it here. I think I'm most excited for this box because it's something you are waiting for the whole year, and also I don't have any other beauty box subscription as of now, so this is like a mystery bag, and to be honest, I feel free. I feel relieved that I finally don't have any more subscriptions to wait for. So yeah, from time to time I'm going to get mystery boxes, but as of now, no more beauty subscriptions. My box has almost 1 kilogram. I have seen on the tracking link it was written that it has 0.93 kilograms, so in pounds I think this is around 2 pounds. So it has this nice package. Oh, I'm so excited, I'm so excited. And by the way, from last year, the staples that remain in my mind, in my collection, is this pineapple exfoliating powder that I use it almost 1 year. I just finished it, is in my empties, and this Sonia G, the flat definer, which triggered in me the love for Japanese, for the feud brushes. So this is how I started to enjoy Japanese brushes. And if you are curious about the look that I'm wearing, stay tuned, because if I don't forget, I'm going to tell you by the end of the video what I'm wearing. If by any chance this video is too long, I'm going to list in my description box the makeup that is on my face. So don't want to spend more time, some paperwork. And this is the goodie bag. Actually, yeah, I don't know if it is a bag, it's just everything wrapped in a bubble bag. I already saw something. I hope it is what I thought it is. First, I have a set of brushes. Oh my god, oh my god. They are from the unit. I think they are selling this brand on Beautylish. We have a crease blending brush. This is very similar with my referral 14. Very similar, just a bit slimmer and longer. Then you have a shader brush, a pencil brush, and a crease or fluffy brush. Oh, this is, I think it's too large for my crease, but I'm going to use it. I love the handle, and this is the pencil brush. So very nice handle, and I think the size is similar. Yeah, it's very similar, the size with the one from Sonia G. So this is a regular size. I thought they are mini because they look a bit more shorter, but they are not. Yes, I have seen Terry getting this and I wanted so much. This is from Kitsch and they are towel scrunchies. I've been meaning to get this. I think, if I'm not wrong, Jessica Brown was mentioning about this several months, and they are very nice, guys. If your hair is washed and you are put it in the ponytail and sleep with it overnight, so it absorbs. So I have 2 of them. I'm very excited. I was hoping actually to get some of this. Next I see something from the Good Molecules. So what we have here, gentle retinol cream. Yes, I'm happy. So we have here 30 milliliters, formulated to soften the appearance of the fine lines and help skin look firmer. I wanted to get this cream, guys. I think maybe Jackie Naturals was saying that this is a good cream, so I cannot believe that I got it. The next product, what is this? No. So first we have a bag. What could be here? Oh my god. So yeah, this is a brush pouch, so doesn't have any brush inside. So yeah, I was hoping that it's also coming with brushes, but no, this is a pouch for brushes. This is very nice for travel, so you can open it like this and put your brushes inside. I think it's genius. I was hoping to have one of the Sonia G brushes inside, but yeah, it's only the pouch. I think it might be from Sonia G. I need to double check. The next product is from Wayne Goss. It's in the tulip. I'm happy because, if I'm not wrong, I have seen someone got magnolia, so I was hoping not to get magnolia but to get another shade that I don't have. Oh, it's a lip gloss. Okay, even better. So it's just a nude lip gloss that you can add on the top. So this is working perfectly with magnolia, and I have been meaning to get one of his glosses because I heard from people they are good. And the last product, it's by Natasha Denona and it's a Glam face palette. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm so happy that I didn't get it because now I receive it. Oh my god, she's absolutely stunning. I'm loving it. So you already know what she looks like, and you have a blush, highlighter and 5 neutral shades. I wanted to purchase it at some point, but I don't know, something was telling me not to get it, so now I understand why. Just to recap what I got the Natasha Denona Glam Face palette, those towel scrunchies, which I'm very excited about, this pouch, which I believe is from Sonia G. I'm going to put all the prices on the screen, a Wayne Goss lip gloss, the retinol cream by the Good Molecules, and the unique set of brushes. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't get a Sonia G brush. I have seen that usually the Lucky Bags they are shipping in Europe, they put different products than the one they ship in the US. So that was the reason that I stopped watching US unboxings, because I was thinking that I'm going to make too many hopes and they are not going to be true. I'm more excited than I was last year, for sure. I think I would have hoped to get a Sonia G brush. But yeah, now it's your turn to let me know what do you think about my unlucky bag, as I like to call it. Do you think I got lucky or not? I think I got lucky. This year I got lucky, for sure. More lucky than last year, and I was thinking if this year it will suck, next year I'm not going to get anything. I'm going to stop getting the lucky bag. And I also promised you that I'm going to tell you what I'm wearing today. So for my foundation, I'm wearing this Max Factor Skin Improving Foundation. I'm due to film the last part of the review and maybe put it up for you next week, yes, why not? And those two concealers from Pat McGrath I have underneath. Then for the eyeshadow palette, I have pulled out my Jackie Aina palette, and I'm wearing on my lid this gorgeous shade, no, this one, which is my favorite shade out of everything from this palette. And I was playing with those transition shades, but also with the help of this Wet n Wild palette. I have been taking those two shades, which I find that I reach so much for this palette. I keep it on my vanity. The blush, it's by Bare Minerals, is the Gen Nude one in the shade Call My Blush. This is the bronzer by L'Oreal, Back to Bronze to Paradise. And the lipstick is by NARS. This was a limited edition packaging in the shade Jane. So this is from the Audacious line. Love the formula. Probably has my all-time favorite formula, the NARS Audacious lipstick. And I found recently a dupe for this formula, so maybe I will share in my upcoming videos. But yeah, this is everything for today. Please let me know down below what was your favorite product of today's video. Mine it is, of course, the Natasha Denona Glam Face palette. And also let me know if you got your lucky bag and what did you get in your bag. Now I'm going to start watching videos of my friends that have done the unboxing, because I told you I didn't want to watch, so I'm going to watch my friends and see what they got. I'm going to put the total up here on the screen, but this is all for today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. I hope you'll have a fantastic day, and please don't forget, the most beautiful makeup is your own smile. Bye guys!